Hello guys, I'm Horamali and you are watching Modern Coding. So in the previous tutorial we have seen that what we are going to develop. So in this tutorial we are going to just start a new project, an empty project. Sorry, I'm giving just proper name and leaving all other by default. Just so first of all we are opening the sorry, just close this. Open the caller.xml. We will add some attributes, and for just time saving I'm just copy pasting. Okay, that's all. This too, and just close this and open the style.xml. And so we just customizing our action bar. For that we are changing in this file. This is for action bar. This, and for search view we will add this. Okay, okay, and after this we are adding some drawable attribute or file, you can say. I will give it in the description. These are the, actually this is okay, these 4 files. Just paste. Okay, cross. So in this video tutorial we are just working on the main XML file and a little bit code on main activity Java file. First of all, on the main activity file, starting with the coordinator layout. Just remove this, and after this we will add the app bar layout. I actually developed this app before this starting the tutorial. So for time saving I'm just copy pasting from there, and make sure you have the advanced Android Studio version, otherwise it will not work on the any other version. Okay, so connecting the app bar layout with the search view. Okay, then comes towards to the, then we will add so this the linear layout. Okay, this, so that's it. After this we will add the another relative layout. Okay, done. Then the text view for searching in items. Okay, and comes toward to the main activity. First call the search view variable attribute, sorry. implementing the click on listener. So mm, just wait. Yes. So that's all for this video. We will work on this part in the next video. So bye for now. Make sure you people add this dependency. I'm sorry, I forgot that you have to add these dependencies before starting the app. These are all the dependencies. I will put this in the description. So okay, bye for now.